So today we're down here at the Maine Inland Fisheries and Wildlife Park. We're going to be having a barbecue and checking out some animals. There's a deer. There's a deer in all its glory. Hey, that's... Hey, buddy. You a white raccoon? You don't see me no white raccoon. Huh? Hi there, raccoon. You a weird looking raccoon. Yeah. American beaver. Here, beaver, beaver, beaver. Okay. Chewing on the wire, he wants to get out. No. Come on, go back in the water. Wow. There's a fisher. He's playing with something. Playing with a little monkey. Hey, buddy. There he goes. There's a fisher.
Oh, look at him. Isn't he cute? Yeah, very cute though.
Yeah. Porcupine. They're kind of cute until you touch them.
Okay? Keys. Yeah, I got them. Steve.
Where you going, buddy?
Some days you just gotta climb.
Big question is, how do they mate? Canada lynx. Looks about like a bobcat, except it's got tuft ears on it. See the tuft ears? They got it in this small pen today, but I'm assuming if they keep it up in there, because that says lynx exhibit. Got a black bear over in there taking a nap.
Yeah, that's why the bear's over there trying to.
And we got one right down here. There he is. And there's one over there sleeping.
Guys, don't step on it, please.
I got some flash on for
Guys, thanks for feeding him. You know how many are feeding him, so don't step on it.
Coyote in there.
Yeah, coyote.
Somewhere. Where is it? Oh, it's over here now.
Alright, Trev. Let me,
He's walking away. Boy, they blend in good, don't they? I can't even barely see him. He's over there. You gonna come out? Here he comes, Coop. There he is. It's Coyote. Couple of Maine moose laying down in the mud, trying to get cool. It is hot out here today. Barn owl up in there.
Oh, well, that's what I said. That's what I said to Fisheries because I thought we were.
Culture. Turkey vulture. This one's
Yeah,
old.
That's pretty funny, huh?
Kept on his own for his protection. He's 40 years old. Here we got some red-tailed hawks.
I just didn't want to have to try to explain that accident to the main office. Yeah, I know, right?
Can't really see him very good through the fence. Horned owl.
Yeah, he'll help him, Trout.
Bald eagle.
How is it?
Time is it? Oh, shit.
Here we got
Dustin
a
took
golden eagle.
ornithology there at college, learning out all about birds. We were driving around in the spring. Look at him, Trev. See how much there? Wow. Look down at that. Look down. Look at all of that.
What's this?